Welcome to Pente Spotlight. Google versus RCS spam. Can AI clean up the inbox? I'm Emily, your data privacy and security person who gets nervous whenever spam messages start multiplying.
And I'm Lucas, the tech enthusiast who believes technology can fix almost anything, including those annoying "congratulations, you won" messages.
Today we're talking about Google's effort to tackle spam on RCS messaging in India. RCS is the next-generation texting system, more advanced than regular SMS. But just like email and SMS before it, spam found its way in.
Yeah, scammers don't miss a launch party. New tech shows up, and they're already there with fake offers and suspicious links. It's like they have notifications turned on for innovation.
Google is now working to reduce RCS spam by improving verification systems and collaborating with telecom operators. That means businesses sending legitimate messages must be verified properly.
Which is good. If you get a message from your bank, you should know it's really your bank, not someone pretending to be one from a basement somewhere.
Exactly. Spam isn't just annoying, it can be dangerous. Fraud, phishing, identity theft, these are real risks, so improving message authentication is important for user safety.
And the cool part, Google isn't trying to do it alone. They're working with telecom providers and regulators in India, because spam control isn't a solo mission, it's a teamwork.
Collaboration matters. Technology companies, telecom networks, and regulators must align. Otherwise, spam simply shifts platforms.
It's like squeezing a balloon. If you press one side, the air moves somewhere else. So the solution has to be bigger than one company.
Well said. My takeaway is simple. Innovation must include security from day one. Messaging systems need strong verification and monitoring built in.
And my takeaway, RCS is powerful. It makes texting smarter and more interactive, but smarter tech needs smarter spam control. Otherwise, your inbox turns into chaos.
The goal is simple: safer messaging without losing the benefits of modern communication.
That's progress done right.
Yeah, that's all for our day on Pente Spotlight.
Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and stay curious. Thanks for listening, and keep asking smart questions about the technology shaping our digital world. See you next time.